Guys, I'm Daniel with Bmx Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to be doing my 2014 bike check. Starting from the top, going to the bottom, I got Colt Vans grips with Colt Vans bar ends in black. On both sides, I got fit bars. They're pretty wide, and they're not that tall. They're like 9s. And I got a fit stem in black. And then I got a integrated headset in black. And then I got fit shiv forks. And then I got a fit FAF tire, white walled, laced to a fit rim. It's off a stock bike. So, and then I got a G Sport peg in the front with the G Sport hub guard with G Sport zip ties. Going to the back, I got a Primo bottom bracket with chrome spacers. And then I got E-Clack cranks, 2-piece cranks. And then I got a Fit 2014 sprocket with a KMC chain. And then I got Odyssey Twist PC's pedals. In the back, I have a Primo hoop laced with titanium spokes laced to a Shadow Raptor hub. And then I have a G Sport hub guard and a G Sport peg and a Demolition Momentum tire. And I bent the pros on my back rim so it'll be kind of louder and degreased it. So, hub check for you guys. And I got up here, I got the Demolition D fat seat with a Demolition post. And then, last but not least, I got the frame. It's a Fly. It's a Luna. It's an orange. I love the color. It's very light, it's durable, and I like it. Well, that's my 2014 bike check for you guys. I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.